What makes a man both a lightning rod of controversy and a titan of influence in modern media? William James O'Reilly Jr., born on September 10, 1949, is a towering figure in the realm of American media, a conservative commentator, journalist, author, and television host who has etched his mark across multiple platforms. His career, much like a seasoned captain navigating uncharted waters, has traversed decades, blending triumphs, controversies, and reinventions. O'Reilly embarked on his broadcasting journey in the late 1970s, reporting for local television stations before ascending to national networks like CBS News and ABC News. At CBS, his investigative prowess garnered 2 Emmy Awards and National Headliner Awards, accolades that became milestones in his journalistic odyssey. From 1989 to 1995, he helmed Inside Edition, a tabloid television staple, steering it like a ship through the choppy waters of sensational news. His career reached its zenith with the launch of The O'Reilly Factor on Fox News in 1996, a program that reigned supreme as cable news' highest-rated show for 16 years. Described by media analyst Howard Kurtz as the biggest star in Fox News' history, O'Reilly became an anchor in the constellation of American punditry. Beyond the newsroom, O'Reilly ventured into literary waters, co-authoring historical thrillers like Killing Lincoln and Killing Kennedy, which climbed the New York Times bestseller lists and were adapted into Emmy-nominated National Geographic films. He even sparred in the intellectual arena with Jon Stewart during a lively charity debate in 2012, showcasing his penchant for sharp rhetoric. However, his career was not without storms. In 2017, allegations of misconduct led to his departure from Fox News, a moment that reshaped his professional trajectory. Undeterred, O'Reilly launched the No Spin News podcast and later expanded it into a televised program, continuing to wield influence from alternative platforms. O'Reilly's roots trace back to a humble apartment in Fort Lee, New Jersey, where he was born to parents of Irish descent. His early years were shaped by Catholic education, athletic pursuits, and an unexpected encounter with a young Billy Joel, whom he remembered as a hoodlum from his neighborhood. After graduating from Chaminade High School, O'Reilly pursued history at Marist College, where his intellectual curiosity flourished. He studied abroad in London, played semi-professional baseball, and later earned advanced degrees from Boston University and Harvard's Kennedy School of Government, adding layers of academic achievement to his resume. His early career included local reporting stints where he honed his craft and garnered accolades, including an Emmy for his coverage of a skyjacking. By the 1980s, O'Reilly was covering global conflicts as a CBS correspondent, navigating war zones like El Salvador and the Falkland Islands with the precision of a battlefield journalist. His tenure at ABC News further cemented his reputation, earning him additional Emmy Awards and recognition for his incisive storytelling. Despite his accolades, O'Reilly was not immune to public scrutiny. His fiery temperament surfaced in viral outtakes and sharp debates, moments that were parodied by comedians and immortalized in pop culture. His rhetoric often courted controversy, particularly in polarizing discussions around figures like George Tiller and issues like the Iraq War. In his post-Fox chapter, O'Reilly has remained a persistent voice, adapting to the evolving media landscape with digital shows and radio programs. From sparring with Jon Stewart on The Daily Show to appearing in films like Iron Man 2, O'Reilly's career is a kaleidoscope of achievements, controversies, and reinventions, a testament to his resilience and adaptability in the ever-changing tides of American media. Now in his 70s, William O'Reilly stands as a man whose life has been a kaleidoscope of ambition, success, and personal trials, his years etched with the sharp precision of both triumphs and tribulations. At 75 years old, he maintains a lifestyle that mirrors the duality of his public persona, a mixture of unapologetic grandeur and the quiet solitude of a man who values his privacy. O'Reilly's personal life, like a novel with unexpected twists, has seen its share of complexities. He was married to public relations executive Maureen McPhilmy in 1996, a union that lasted until 2011, dissolving in the aftermath of a highly publicized divorce. The marriage bore 2 children, a daughter and a son, whose lives he has kept guarded from the spotlight with the fierce protectiveness of a hawk shielding its nest. Post-divorce, O'Reilly's dating life has remained shrouded in secrecy, an enigma that mirrors his penchant for controlling his narrative. With an estimated net worth exceeding $85 million, O'Reilly's lifestyle is anything but modest. He resides in a sprawling mansion nestled in the affluent enclave of Manhasset, New York, a property that exudes the opulence of old-world charm blended seamlessly with modern luxury. The estate spans an impressive nearly 10 acres, a verdant expanse dotted with manicured gardens and mature trees that sway like silent sentinels in the breeze. The mansion itself is a testament to both sophistication and comfort, a sanctuary where every corner whispers a story of meticulous design and indulgence. The living room, a grand expanse of space, is anchored by a stone fireplace that crackles with warmth on chilly evenings, while high, vaulted ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows invite natural light to dance across the gleaming oak floors. Plush leather sofas and a grand piano give the room an air of understated elegance, while shelves lined with books hint at O'Reilly's intellectual pursuits. The kitchen is a chef's dream, a gleaming expanse of marble countertops, state-of-the-art appliances, and a farmhouse sink that nods to rustic charm. A massive island stands at the heart of the space, like a command center for culinary creativity, while an adjacent breakfast nook offers a cozy spot to sip coffee as the morning sun spills in. The master bedroom is a true retreat, a space where tranquility reigns. A four-poster bed draped in fine linen sits beneath a coffered ceiling, while a sitting area with overstuffed armchairs invites quiet reflection. The ensuite bathroom is nothing short of a spa, with a soaking tub framed by picture windows overlooking the gardens, a rainfall shower, and a double vanity adorned with gold fixtures that gleam like treasures. O'Reilly's love for reading finds expression in the library, a room steeped in mahogany and adorned with leather-bound tomes that fill floor-to-ceiling shelves. A tufted armchair and a Tiffany-style lamp create an inviting nook for late-night reading, a testament to his passion for history and storytelling. The mansion's backyard is a world unto itself. A sparkling swimming pool glistens under the sun, framed by a stone patio and luxurious loungers. A fire pit crackles at the edge of the property, a gathering spot for intimate conversations under the stars. The chill spot, as O'Reilly refers to it, is a shaded pergola draped with ivy, furnished with plush seating, and equipped with a sound system for outdoor entertainment. The rooftop offers panoramic views of the surrounding estate, a perch from which to survey the grounds like a lord of the manor. In the garage, a collection of cars reflects O'Reilly's taste for luxury and performance. A sleek black Mercedes-Benz S-Class shares space with a vintage Mustang, while a practical yet stylish Range Rover stands ready for everyday errands. Each vehicle is polished to a mirror-like sheen, a symbol of his meticulous attention to detail. For a man of his stature, hobbies provide both relaxation and a connection to the simpler joys of life. O'Reilly enjoys playing golf at nearby country clubs, his swing a studied blend of precision and power. He's also an avid gardener, finding solace in the act of tending to his roses and hydrangeas, their blooms a vibrant counterpoint to his otherwise monochromatic world of news and politics. In this phase of life, William O'Reilly appears to inhabit a realm that balances the grandiosity of his public persona with the quieter, more reflective pleasures of home and family. His mansion, cars, and lifestyle paint a picture of a man who has climbed the highest peaks of success, yet seeks solace in the everyday luxuries of a life well earned. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.